We all heard about the law of attraction and the claim it allegedly originated in the Bible itself. But is that true? The law of attraction says that by thinking and imagining your desires, you'll emit energy that will vibrate in the same frequency as your desires, thus manifest and attract your desires. This was featured in a documentary from 2006 called The Secret. Let me start by saying, if anyone promises you to reveal a so-called secret, if you do something, pay to watch a movie, buy a program, or seminar, whatever, then he is already lying to you. Since if what he intends to reveal is indeed an established fact, it follows that others already know about it, and therefore it can't be a secret. And indeed, the documentary The Secret points to the Bible already, quoting the verse, "As a man thinketh, so is he." This follows an idea written in 1903 in a book called As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. So there's no secret in The Secret movie. It's just a well-known idea. The main idea is that the Bible tells us, as a man thinketh, so is he, meaning that by thinking and imagining your desires, you'll emit energy that will vibrate in the same frequency as your desires, thus manifest and attract your desires. So the verse, as a man thinketh, is really the law of attraction as we can learn it from the Bible. To see if this is true, let's read the specific verses from Proverbs in the Bible in its original text, Hebrew, and translate it into English. And my translation is to modern English. The Old English Bible versions do not differ from my translation. So does the Bible really say that if, for example, you wish to be rich, imagining it will broadcast vibrations that will manifest it? Let's read it together.
כי תשב ללחום את מושל, בין תבין את אשר לפניך. When you sit to eat bread with the governor, know diligently who is before you. ושמת סכין בלעך, אם בעל נפש אתה. Put a knife in your mouth if you have a character. אל תתאווה למטמותיו, והוא לחם גזבים. Do not desire his bread, meaning food, since it is a deceitful bread. אל תיגע לעשיר, מבינתך חדל. Do not labor to be rich. Put a stop to that thinking. התעף עיניך בו ועינינו, כי יעשה לו כנפיים כנשר, ועייף יעוף השמיים. Will you set your eyes upon something that is gone? For riches make themselves wings, and fly away as an eagle towards the sky. אל תלחם את לחם רע עין, ואל תתאווה למטמותיו. Don't eat the bread of a person who has a bad eye, and don't desire his food. כי כמו שאר בנפשו כן הוא, אכול ושתה יאמר לך, וליבו בא לימך. For as he thinks, so is he. He will tell you to eat and drink, but his heart will not be with you. פיתך אכלת תקיענה, ושכחי דבריך נעימים. You'll throw up the bread you have eaten, and you will lose your sweet words.
Bottom line is, the Bible does not say a thing about imagining yourself rich and thus causing positive vibrations and manifesting you being wealthy. The verses actually say the exact opposite, that you should not wish to be rich. What more, manifesting by imagining what you want is not what the Bible says in the verse, as a man thinketh, so is he. It's half the verse. The verse is about eating with a bad, maybe even rich person. The full sentence about eating with that man is, for as he thinks, so is he. He will tell you to eat and drink, but his heart will not be with you. That's the full sentence. Nothing to do with manifesting riches, causing positive vibrations, or anything by imagining. What is quoted by so many self-help gurus, as if from the Bible, is absolutely just not there. In fact, there are no such positive vibrations that attract whatever you think about. Many ask me, why am I telling you this? Why is knowing the truth about this verse so important? Because a false idea will eventually end up in frustration. Just to keep to the positive side, let's see what we do know and what has scientifically been proven. I would say 3 basic rules. 1. Write down your goals. You need to know where you're going. 2. See yourself in your mind's eye working hard until achieving your long-time goal. The 5 reasons for doing that. A. It makes the long-term goal seem closer in date, and that increases your motivation. B. It gets you ready for the hard work needed. C. Increases your confidence. D. You can virtually practice in your mind's eye, and that can improve your muscle memory. And E. You will be more aware of opportunities if and when they arrive. So all that has to do with imagining. And 3. This is the third known scientifically basic rule, is go over your goals periodically and assess how you advance and what requires adjusting. So we said, write down your goals, see yourself working hard to reach them, and check and revise your goal-getting method. None of these 3 rules don't suggest you just imagine what you want and thus get it through attracting it. You just can't attract and make your goals come and reach you. You have to have a goal that is possible and do the hard work so that you will reach it. Sticking to these scientifically proven rules will pave the way for your success.